I did a video a few months ago about the Save account, the Joinsave Wealthcard, and their other products. And I found out today that the Joinsave scam card, aka Wealth Card, is no longer available. It was actually never available in the first place, and they happened to cancel the thing that they've been promising that I was very critical of originally, because it was never actually delivered. They were promising it like a credit card that you could get. They had a $300 one per year and a $750 one, and it was linked to this high interest, high APY. It was linked to this high APY hypothetical return that's linked to a stock market account. Very complicated. It's supposed to be the first of its kind, so I would give them credit there if they were actually transparent, but they weren't very transparent. And they were advertising this card for years, and when I spoke to somebody at customer service, they said they never actually mailed them out. Nobody actually ever received them. They were just promising a card, and then people would sign up, and then I guess they just string them along with another product. Now you can see it right here. If you go to their frequently asked questions page, it was called Wealth Card. That was the credit card. Now they did previously have a debit invest card, which they canceled, but I don't know that anybody ever received this one either. Anyways, here's what they have to say about it. When can I expect my Wealth Card? And that was the big question a few months ago and several years ago. And they still kept advertising it. It said, order your Wealth Card. We have reprioritized. Here's what it says. We have reprioritized and paused issuing all Wealth Cards. The reprioritization is in favor of bringing more suitable products to our customers in the current economic environment, and this is why we no longer mention the Wealth Card on Joinsave. Now, when we look at the debit card they had, they didn't give you any explanation. It said, why is it ending? And it basically said nothing. It said, we will discontinue. It has nothing. Somebody asked the question, why is it ending? And they basically dodged the question completely. So what does this mean? I wasn't in favor of any of their products before, and I still am not, because it's deceptive. But you can still sign up. If you go to banking and investing, they still have something that's like a savings account. And it's very high in the fees. So when you start looking at the fees, there's fees in the back end, like an annual fee, I think it's around a 0.5% fee on your money, regardless if they make money or not. Here's kind of a recap. Minimum investment, $1,000. So the whole point of this account is you've got two accounts. You have an FDIC insured account, which holds your money, which will guarantee you a 0% return. So you're not supposed to lose any, not gain any. And then you have a second account, which is an investment account, and that could actually make money for you. And you just have to sort of trust them that they're going to do what they're saying. So here's kind of a recap. It says the rate, that giant rate that you see, is all hypothetical. So they could put 20%, 10%, whatever the back test says, they could put something close to it. Hypothetical back test performance is no guarantee of future performance, and actual results may vary. And then here was the portfolio. They have several different portfolios to choose from. So I wouldn't advise this for anyone because it's got a lot of fees when I looked at it last time. Now they're comparing, in this back test, they're still comparing with the defunct product here, the Debit Invest Card, and then they're comparing it to the Market Savings product. By the way, this F-Save Conservative portfolio, I believe that's this right here below. It actually has junk. Here you can see right here, the conservative portfolio has junk bonds in it. So that kind of tells you a lot about what you can expect. Junk bonds in a conservative portfolio, that doesn't seem right to me. Does it seem right to you? Here, if you do a search for fees, you can see 0.35% management fee on all earnings. Now, I'm not sure if this is the total fee or if it includes, if the Vanguard fees are on top of this, but it's quite a bit of a fee compared to what you can get, with the typical Vanguard fund. So I would avoid this company. And they've already had 2 failed products. So do you really want to do you really trust them with another one? This was kind of a quick little video. Whenever I do videos like this that are critical of products or services, I tend to get a few thumbs down, and that hurts the video. And I think it has to do with these companies that are invested in the product or service just basically doing a thumbs down on the video. So to help counteract that, please give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please feel free to subscribe. And that'll help counteract the thumbs down that I get from the invested parties. So anyways, I hope you have a good weekend and have a good one.